What happens when Toyota takes its biggest pickup truck, gives it a tougher new face, serious overlanding hardware, and then unleashes an aggressive AI-inspired vision that looks ready to attack the wilderness? You get this, the 2027 Toyota Tundra Trailhunter. And this isn't just another cosmetic package. Toyota has officially confirmed a new Trailhunter package for the 2027 Tundra, bringing upgraded Old Man Emu suspension, Michelin LTX Trail tires, additional underbody protection, front recovery hooks, a locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, and crawl control. Toyota is also updating the Tundra's styling and technology for 2027, with the full specifications and pricing still due closer to its fall 2026 launch. But here's where things get even more interesting. Because if Toyota's factory Trailhunter is the foundation, what happens when we take that truck and push the design to the absolute limit? Welcome to the Vision Auto's AI-modified 2027 Toyota Tundra Trailhunter. The first thing you notice is the stance. Low, wide, muscular, and unbelievably aggressive. Our AI vision transforms the 2027 Trailhunter into a full-size off-road machine with dramatically widened fenders, a more planted track, massive all-terrain tires, and deep-dish forged wheels finished in a dark bronze and black combination. The redesigned 2027 Tundra already moves toward a sharper, more purposeful front end with a wide stance and rugged grille treatment. The Trailhunter package itself gets exclusive bronze-colored wheels and Trailhunter badging. But imagine taking that formula even further. A blacked-out honeycomb grille, an illuminated Toyota wordmark, a more aggressive high-clearance front bumper, integrated recovery points, wide LED daytime running lights, and a powerful roof-mounted light system designed for those moments when the road simply disappears. This is where the Tundra starts looking less like a traditional pickup and more like a full-size mechanical predator. Along the sides, the truck receives muscular extended fender arches, functional-looking side protection, reinforced rock sliders, and a sculpted bed setup prepared for serious overlanding equipment. The result? A Tundra that looks capable of crossing the desert, climbing through the mountains, and then pulling directly into a luxury hotel parking lot without losing its presence. And underneath all that aggressive AI styling is a real Trailhunter foundation. Toyota has confirmed Michelin LTX Trail 265/70 R18 tires, upgraded Old Man Emu suspension, front recovery hooks, extra underbody protection, and a locking rear differential. Multi-terrain select and crawl control are also part of the package. That means the 2027 Trailhunter isn't simply pretending to be adventurous. It's being developed as a factory-built truck designed for buyers who actually want to leave the pavement behind. Now imagine our AI-modified version with an even wider stance, more aggressive suspension geometry, larger off-road tires, reinforced skid protection, and an expedition-ready bed system. The goal isn't to make it look like a race truck. The goal is to create something that looks like Toyota built its answer to every extreme American off-road pickup at once. And that's where the Raptor comparison becomes impossible to ignore. The Ford Raptor is about high-speed desert aggression. The Trailhunter takes a different route. It's about exploration, durability, control, and the ability to keep going when the road ends.
Toyota has confirmed that the 2027 Tundra lineup will continue offering gas and hybrid powertrain options, with the twin-turbo V6 providing strong, everyday capability and the available iForce Max hybrid delivering additional torque and responsiveness. However, Toyota has not yet released final 2027 Trailhunter-specific power figures. So for now, the exact Trailhunter configuration remains one of the biggest questions. And honestly, that's good news for enthusiasts, because the rumors and expectations surrounding the final specifications leave plenty of room for Toyota to surprise us. Could the Trailhunter receive the hybrid system? Could Toyota tune it specifically for heavy overlanding loads and low-speed torque? Or could it remain a more accessible alternative to the Extreme TRD Pro? We'll have to wait for the final specifications, but one thing is already clear. The Trailhunter isn't trying to be a copy of the Raptor. It's building its own identity. Step inside, and the 2027 Tundra gets a major technology upgrade. Toyota says the latest generation multimedia system and a 14-inch display will be standard, while the truck also gains enhanced connectivity features, including available digital key and a drive recorder. And for our AI-modified concept, imagine a cabin finished in black leather, dark technical materials, bronze Trailhunter accents, contrast stitching, rugged metallic controls, and a more performance-focused steering wheel. A premium command center built for people who want luxury without losing the feeling that this truck was designed to get dirty. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 is also standard for 2027, bringing the latest evolution of Toyota's driver assistance technology. So while this truck looks ready to disappear into the wilderness, it's also becoming smarter than ever.
So, did Toyota just build a Raptor killer? Well, not exactly. The Raptor is still its own kind of monster. But the 2027 Toyota Tundra Trailhunter is creating something different, and that might be even more interesting. Toyota is combining a full-size pickup with factory-backed overlanding hardware, upgraded suspension, serious off-road technology, and a tougher new design. Then take that foundation, add the Vision Auto's aggressive wide-body treatment, massive tires, a brutal stance, dark bronze wheels, advanced lighting, and a premium Expedition-inspired interior, and suddenly you're looking at a Tundra that feels like a completely different beast. Not a Raptor copy, not just another luxury truck, but a machine built around one idea. Go farther, look more aggressive, fear nothing. The full 2027 Tundra details, including final specifications and pricing, are expected closer to the fall 2026 launch, so there is still more to discover. But based on what Toyota has already revealed, the 2027 Toyota Tundra Trailhunter could become one of the most exciting full-size adventure trucks of the year. And this modified version? This is what happens when Toyota's Trailhunter goes completely wild. Let us know in the comments, would you choose the 2027 Tundra Trailhunter over the Ford F-150 Raptor? And if you want to see more futuristic, aggressively modified automotive concepts, subscribe to Vision Autos, because the future of trucks is just getting started.